Welcome to the Shine Show, and आज we have one of the industry leader in PPF, and I'm going to talk about the technical specifications of paint protection films of one of the superior product, which is Avery Dennison with Nitin. Welcome, Nitin.
Thank you so much, Ichita.
And सबसे पहले something on your introduction, please.
Okay, so I'm Nitin Mittal and I manage the South Asia business, which is graphic business for Evidence and local entity here. So all the PPF and other products are part of my responsibility. Been with the company from almost like 5 years now, and my background is more of a chemical person, but being a chemical engineer, I am able to relate what we offer. So happy to probably help our customer and the clients how we can help as an Avery Dennison to select the right product in the future.
So Avery Dennison, अगर हम detailing industry की बात करें, so it's in wraps, it's into paint protection films, window films.
Correct.
What else? Graphics?
So graphics is like auto after market में graphic कम use होता है, more of like the secondary market or the after market side में. But if I talk about our company, we are a pressure sensitive adhesive material company. That means एक face film होगी, उसके पीछे एडेसिव कोट होगा और लाइनर लगा होगा. एंड दिस इज वी डू इन लेबल स्पेस, वी डू इन द ग्राफिक वेयर द पेंट प्रोडक्शन, द रैपिंग एंड द विंडो फिल्म इज पार्ट ऑफ इट. वी डू इन द टेप, वी डू इन द रिफ्लेक्टिव मटेरियल. नाउ कमिंग टू द ग्राफिक्स और द ऑर्डर आफ्टर मार्केट पोर्टफोलियो, येस, मेजर कैटेगरी वी पार्टिसिपेट आर दीज थ्री, विच इज लार्जली द रैपिंग प्रोडक्ट लाइन, द पेंट प्रोडक्शन फिल्म एंड द विंडो फिल्म.
So in the product line, if we talk about, what is the share that you'll have for the paint protection film and wraps in the entire production line?
So Ichita, it really varies across the world. Like अगर हम developed countries की बात करें, like US, Europe and Australia, New Zealand for that matter, which is part of the region I report to as Asia Pacific team. So they are more of like the wrapping product based market. It's very much evolved there. But if you come to the country like in India, from the regulatory perspective, it is not allowed. Which means, if you want to change the color of your vehicle, you have to get it re-registered in the RC book. Right?
हाँ, but 40% तक तो हम legally change कर सकते हैं ना vehicle अपना.
Vehicle आप कर सकते हैं, not the full body wrap.
Not the full body wrap.
आप partially कर सकते हैं.
Not in any of the states in India.
Yeah, in any of the state, आप 100% body wrap नहीं कर सकते हैं. अगर आप body white से black कर रहे हैं, then you have to get it re-registered.
And is it possible वो हो जाता है RC
वो हो जाता है.
Okay.
Like इंडिया में मुझे जो लगता है, my personal view about it, कि अवेयरनेस नहीं है. Like when you buy a new car, right? At that point of time, आप ऑलरेडी आरसी तो ले रहे हो ना,
हाँ, RC पे कलर रजिस्टर्ड रहता है, यस,
है ना. आप उसी टाइम रैप करा लो, कोई डीलर हेल्प कर देगा. आपने व्हाइट कलर ली है ना, कि मेरा वाला पिंक,
मेरा वाला पिंक
आप करा लो यार मेरा वाला पिंक. एविडेंस विल हेल्प विद द राइट ब्रांड, द बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट इन द रैपिंग कैटेगरी.
या सो वो आप ये कह रहे हो बेसिकली कि अगर आपको जो कलर मिल रहा है और आपके वो मॉडल में कलर नहीं है, सो हम वो इनिशियली डिसाइड कर लें कि हमको कौन सा कलर चाहिए बिफोर माई आरसी गेट रजिस्टर्ड, और हम उसको पहले ही रैप करा करके और चेंज कर लें. वाओ, दैट्स अ गुड आइडिया.
कार सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस, मैं इंडियन हूँ, मैं थोड़ी सी इंडियनाइज बात करता हूँ इसके बारे में, राइट. कार सिलेक्शन इज अ प्रोसेस फॉर इंडियन फैमिली. हम ऐसे नहीं होते कि यार $1 million लेके कोई शोरूम में वी की यार कि जस्ट 3 का बुक इन माई नेम, दैट्स ऑल डन. नो, वी गो देयर, वी अंडरस्टैंड द टेक्नोलॉजी एंड वी अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंट फीचर्स. इवन इफ इट इज अ हाईएस्ट एंड कार और द कैटेगरी ऑफ द कार, then we decide what type of the colors and the shades are available, and then we go back home and we spend some time कि यार किस चीज़ को फाइनलाइज करना.
बट ये सिस्टम वर्ल्ड ओवर सेम नहीं होगा.
वर्ल्ड ओवर दिस इज लिटिल डिफरेंट इन टर्म्स ऑफ द कार रैपिंग, द एसोसिएटेड कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी कि आपको आरसी में चेंज कराना है, ये सब कराना है, डजंट एग्जिस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड.
ओके ओके, दैट्स
सो दिस इज समथिंग कि आप डीलर हैं, लाइक यू आर वन ऑफ द मर्सिडीज और ए BMW डीलर, राइट. उसके पास देर आर फ्यू हंड्रेड ऑफ द शेड विच एवरी डेंसन ऑफर इन द रैपिंग प्रोडक्ट.
करेक्ट.
दैट इज ऑल गेटिंग डिस्प्लेड इन द स्क्रीन और इन द एक्चुअल बोर्ड एक्चुअली, राइट. आप एज ए कंज्यूमर जाते हैं, आप कहते हैं दिस इज माई मेरा वाला पिंक, चेंज इट, एंड ही विल हैव द अवेलेबल इन्वेंटरी, वो 2 दिन में चेंज करके दे देगा आपको.
सो अगर हम बात करें रैप्स का, तो रैप्स आर विनाइल बेस्ड.
रैप्स आर विनाइल बेस्ड.
करेक्ट. तो एवरी डेनिसन का रैप और जो बाकी लोकल रैप्स अवेलेबल हैं, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली देयर इज अ कॉस्ट टू अ गुड प्रोडक्ट,
करेक्ट,
विच इज़ रियली गुड कॉस्ट. उसके मुकाबले जो लोकल प्रोडक्ट्स हमारे रैप्स के अवेलेबल हैं, वो मैं क्यों ना कराऊँ, मैं एवरी डेनिसन क्यों कराऊँ रैप्स में?
सी
both are vinyl at the end of it.
प्रोडक्ट I will give a more example, not only limiting to rap, right? Even if it is rap or a paint production film, even a sun control film, right? ये तीनों product and categories are, it's not limited to the product. It's product plus application,
Okay.
right? Product will play a certain role, but application will play a serious role in that, or a very major role in that. If it is not applied properly, it can really, will not give the right performance. Now, if I give a simple example, एक इंडिया में perception है कि जितना thick film होगी उतना अच्छा परफॉर्म करेगी.
PPF की बात कर रहे
चाहे
हैं.
वो PPF की बात है, चाहे वो रैपिंग की बात है, चाहे विंडो फिल्म की बात है.
PPF तो जितनी थिक होती है वो अप्लाई करना ही उतना मुश्किल हो जाता है, वो बेंड ही नहीं करती है.
Exactly. But a normal consumer will not understand. To be very frank, before I joined this company, even I was not aware about it, right?
Okay.
So that's the background of our audience, the customers and the client who are buying these technology. And they need to understand the thickness of the product is not only the deciding factor. It's much beyond that. It is the quality of the product. And same thing goes for the wrapping product. मार्केट में 10,000 रुपये का भी रैपिंग प्रोडक्ट मिलता है, बट दैट डजंट लास्ट फॉर इवन फ्यू मंथ्स, फ्यू वीक्स.
नहीं, बट क्यों होता है ऐसा? दैट इज व्हाट माय क्वेश्चन इज कि वो
बिकॉज दैट्स अ टेक्नोलॉजी, like some of these technologies, and somebody can make it little cheaper because you don't have to give a assurance, you don't have to give a performance, you don't have to commit on the warranties and other things.
तो क्या ये विनाइल का जो बेस है उसमें फर्क आता है प्रोडक्ट?
केमिकल कंपोजिशंस में काफी फर्क आ जाते हैं.
एडेसिव
में आप प्ले अराउंड कर सकते हैं, आप कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द लाइनर में भी प्ले अराउंड कर सकते हैं. देयर आर मेनी थिंग लाइक यू कैन प्ले अराउंड विद द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द फाइनल प्रोडक्ट. सो इट्स नॉट ओनली एडेसिव और द फेस फिल्म, इवन द वे समथिंग इज मैन्युफैक्चर्ड कैन प्ले वेरी डिफरेंट रोल.
तो जो हम रैप्स लगाते हैं उसमें मैंने देखा है यूजुअली कि वो ऑरेंज पील जैसा इफेक्ट एक आता है. क्या विनाइल के रैप्स में भी वो लाइट ऑरेंज पील जैसा इफेक्ट दिखता है?
So some of these effects are because of the cheap construction quality.
Okay.
Right? Very genuine, good quality product will not give all these issues. और अगर ये आएंगे भी, so they will be just like in the PPF, the products are self-healed.
Okay.
But if you go into the lower quality of the PPF,
even the wrap is self-healed.
Even the wraps are self-healed.
Okay.
Yeah, they are flexible product.
Okay.
So they are only conformable. They get into the edges of the vehicle. So they're very flexible product. But yes, they are not supposed to behave as a paint production film. उनको पेंट नहीं प्रोटेक्ट करना होता है, उन्होंने एस्थेटिक पे काम करना होता है. एंड समबडी हु हैज टू जस्ट चेंज द एस्थेटिक, ही इज विलिंग टू स्पेंड 10,000 रुपये रादर देन प्रोबब्ली स्पेंडिंग 30 or 40,000 रुपये.
नहीं, बट अब तो कलर्ड PPF भी आ गई हैं.
करेक्ट. एंड दैट्स अ ड्यूअल फंक्शनैलिटी व्हिच इज गेटिंग इवॉल्व इन द मार्केट. इंडिया में अभी तो PPF की अवेयरनेस आ रही है. अभी तो लोग वर्सेस डिफरेंट टेक्नोलॉजी दे आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द PPF. Everybody is aware and they want to understand more about the PPF, and that's the reason even we got serious in this market. Being an expert in this market, we wanted to always explore it, but we were also working on to our couple of new product line more suitable to Indian market, what we can do different in terms of the servicing the customer, because again, it's not only the product, we have to make sure the service is also equally good, if not better than the product practically, right?
So coming back to my question, if I sum it up, आप कह रहे हो कि every car wrap has a better adhesive, has a better base material. It is little self healing for the surface thing. Orange peel would be less visible in terms of when we compare it to the other cheaper products available in the market.
I will not limit again to wrap because wrap is a very small play in the country, right? Even for us.
No, अभी तो हम रैप की ही बात कर रहे हैं कि हम पहले एक करके प्रोडक्ट ले लेते हैं. तो रैप में ये
rap have all the functionality.
Okay.
But again, as I said, कि rap products are supposed to work more on the aesthetic part of the thing, right? Some of the performance कि वो येलो नहीं होगा या वो इतने दिन वारंटीज आएंगी, ये सब is not even desired in the product like rap. These are more of the functionality in the paint protection film or the sun control film.
तो आप डेफिनेटली डिजायर करते हो कि वो बहुत जल्दी क्रैक नहीं हो.
करेक्ट.
वेदर की वजह से.
करेक्ट.
हाँ, सो लॉन्गेविटी तो आप देखते हो रैप में भी.
आपको थोड़ी बहुत ड्यूरेबिलिटी तो चाहिए.
यस.
यू कांट हैव ए रैप कि आपने आज लगाया हो, पार्शियल लगाया हो, 10 दिन के बाद वो खराब हो गया.
करेक्ट.
बट दैट्स अ मार्केट, लाइक इंडियन मार्केट, इट्स अ कैटेगरी ऑफ सब सेगमेंट ऑफ द मार्केट.
And now this coming back to PPF, अगर मैं ऐसे देखूँ तो बाकी जो आपके I have used Avery Dennison and I'm very happy using the brand. If I compare to other key players in the market, they're like top of the line only. I wouldn't compare it to any of the cheaper प्रोडक्ट विच आर लाइक 80-90,000 वाली कैटेगरी में तो मैं इसको नहीं कंपेयर करूँगी. तो वो जितने भी आपके बड़े बड़े प्लेयर्स हैं, रिनोन्ड नेम्स लुमार हुआ, स्टेक हुआ, हेक्सेस हुआ, आपका सनटेक हुआ, सनटेक, ये सारी ब्रांड्स जितनी भी थी हमारी, एक्सपेल हुआ, दे एंटर्ड PPF मार्केट pretty early. Why did Avery Dennison take a lot of time being from the adhesive industry and from the similar background? I think reps काफ़ी ज़्यादा पुराने हैं आपके PPF से, तो इतना लेट एंटर करने का क्या रीज़न रहा?
Okay, on the lighter side, एक इंडियन एक कहावत है, कोड है कि हर चीज़ का एक टाइम होता है,
टाइम,
right? So I will use that even for the business purpose. So talking about the company, it's not that we're just expert into the rap. PPF was always evolving in the rest of the world, right? And like even the window film, we are a very, old player in that segment, including the rap. Obviously, rap was in a focus for the company because we always saw that opportunity more in the developed places, another thing. But the type of country we have in India, practically is a huge automotive manufacturing base. You have everybody, practically every brand. या तो इंडिया में मैन्युफैक्चर कर रहा है व्हीकल, 2 व्हीलर, 3 व्हीलर, 4 व्हीलर, या वो असेंबल कर रहा है.
करेक्ट.
और अगर वो नहीं कर रहा है तो फुल्ली इम्पोर्टेड बॉडी को, फुल्ली बिल्ट बॉडी को इम्पोर्ट कर रहा है.
करेक्ट.
एंड वी ऑल नो हाउ द लग्जरी कार मार्केट इज ग्रोइंग, राइट? इज ग्रोइंग मच फास्टर देन द नॉर्मल, द सिडान एंड द हैचबैक एंड अदर थिंग. इवन इफ यू लुक इनटू द इवॉल्वमेंट की पिछले 3-4 साल में, स्पेशली द SUVs, द मिनी SUVs, growing towards a ratio or a share of almost 50% of the car market.
I know, मतलब पहले जहाँ फर्स्ट कार आपकी वैगनार, i10, i20 होती थी, वहाँ पे अब सीधा आप 20 lakhs के ऊपर ही जंप करके फर्स्ट कार ले रहे हो.
करेक्ट.
ये तो इवॉल्व हुआ है,
चेंज हुआ है.
यस,
प्रेफरेंस चेंज हुई है, अर्निंग पावर चेंज हुई है, एंड डिस्क्रिशनरी स्पेंडिंग पावर चेंज हुई है, एस्पिरेशंस चेंज हुए हैं, इनकम लेवल चेंज हुए हैं, द सोशल फैब्रिक काफ़ी चेंज हुआ है. Like I give a personal example. My father has retired as a civil engineer, and my mother has been always a housewife, right? Because it was not needed probably for her. She was taking care of the home of the children, and that's a full-time job practically, or much more complex than some work we do in the corporate world, right? So वो need नहीं होती थी. I remember कि हमारे पास भी फैमिली में मारुति 800 थी. We started from that.
Yes.
Right. But
and it was a pride possession.
It used to be the prime possession. आप आते थे, कोई गेस्ट आते तो बच्चे तो इसीलिए खुश होते थे यार कि चलो 10 मिनट के लिए हम कहीं घूम के आएंगे कार में.
That was very close to my heart.
Absolutely. We all come from that side of the society where the car, owning a car or traveling in a car, forget the AC. यार विंडो नीचे करके हम बाहर देखते हुए जाते थे, सब नहीं किया ये.
हाँ, गाड़ी में बैठना was a big thing.
गाड़ी में बैठना और जाके आइसक्रीम खाना is the prize possession. That's the picnic for the kids, right? So just coming back to that. So market has evolved a lot, and we also saw this opportunity in this country where, we try to understand a little bit more like what we can do better and what we can do different. In a market where you have already a couple of players existing and product maybe the good one as well, right? You have to really differentiate. So when we entered into this market, we said we will come with our full homework. We worked on the lot of product. We make sure what is more meaningful and relevant in this market.
Okay.
Like the durability is very important in this market. We all know the simple example of mileage. कितना देती है, right? That's the type of the brand tagline is कि mileage कितना देती है, and that becomes the selling point, right? You have to make sure your product, whether in wrap or the product in window film or the PPF, they perform for a long time. And how do you make sure it's not only a selling point? It's come with assurance. So you have to work on the warranty. And very proud as Avery Dennison in India, only we are one of the very few company in this country who offer a written warranty to the end client and consumer. He get it on his mail. He get a hard copy of the warranty. And we are committed in something goes wrong with the product, we take care of it as a liability on company, right? So at the same time, coming beyond the warranty, the yellowing, the discoloration of the product, the self-healing properties, the durability, all these are very important requirement in this country. Very varied environment. Like sitting in North India goes to single digit, very low single digit of temperature to very high 40 plus, 45 plus. Even the type of pollution we see in this part of the country, and then the type of summer we see here is very different than what we see in the western part and
winters
the south
also.
part. And the winters also.
I mean, it's like extreme weathers.
It's extreme weather.
Yes.
So you can't just select like एक product है, आप उसको केवल केरला में बेचेंगे, बैंगलोर में बेचेंगे. You have to get same product getting across the country. And we make sure when we are entering in this market, we come with all the thing in our emission. And
तो
that's
अगर
what we ensure, right?
3 साल की अगर हम बात करें कि 3 साल वाला प्रोडक्ट है, आप क्या कहते हैं कि मतलब 3 साल वाला 3 साल तो चलेगा ही चलेगा, 5 साल तक भी चल सकता है?
Practically, when we offer the warranty, this is based on a lot of technical tests, lot of simulated tests we conduct in the company, the third-party tests and other thing, and that tells us in that particular environment, which is more of a continuous exposure. Like दिल्ली में पोल्यूशन होता है, दिल्ली एनसीआर में पोल्यूशन होता है, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई ऑलवेज 800 ही रहेगा. इट विल वेरी ड्यूरिंग द दिवाली टाइम और दैट crop burning time and other thing, it will be like highest, but then it obviously taper down a little bit, but again depending on the vehicle pollution it may go up again, right? But the type of tests we conduct, they are very harsh test. आप continuous expose करते हो अपने product को for a certain amount of time, for the high temperature, for the low temperature, high humidity, high salt spray and everything, right? So when we warranty a product, it's based on a lot of simulation we do, and we say like the product will work for these many years. So but practically प्रोडक्ट उससे लंबे चलते हैं.
I will stop you for one thing which I would really want to ask on behalf of my listeners. जब कोई भी प्रोडक्ट नया आता है, ठीक है, अभी मतलब how old is Evri in PPF?
We are pretty old, couple of decades.
12 years.
Couple of decades, I said.
20 years, 30
More
years.
than that.
In PPF?
Yes.
Okay. So, but India, I don't think people have that much awareness still. We are yet to catch up. So, मेरा जो क्वेश्चन है that I want to ask on behalf of people is कि कोई भी प्रोडक्ट नया आप एंटर कर रहे हो मार्केट के अंदर, आप लेके आ रहे हो, आप बोल रहे हो उसकी 10 साल की वारंटी है, 12 साल की वारंटी है, तो 10-12 साल की वारंटी आप टेस्ट कैसे करते हैं?
That's what I was saying. There are a lot of accelerated testing which is done, like more technical actually, but आप simulate करते हो कि like एक temperature zones हैं आपके, like varying from minus to very high plus 45, 50s and other thing, even more than that, right? आप अपने प्रोडक्ट को एक्सपोज करते हो उन एनवायरनमेंट में, एंड यू टेस्ट इट ऑन द द कलर कितना चेंज होता है उसका, या क्लॉथ में कितना वेरिएशन आता है, शाइनिंग एंड शार्पनेस में कितना वेरिएशंस आते हैं, आपके प्रोडक्ट क्रैक तो नहीं हो जाते हैं, राइट? आपके प्रोडक्ट डिस्टॉर्ट तो नहीं हो जाते हैं. आप लाइक वन ऑफ द वेरी यूनिक फीचर वी ऑफर इन अवर प्रोडक्ट इज लाइक द रिमूवेबिलिटी ऑफ द एडेसिव. ये पीपीएफ
इट डजंट लीव द एडेसिव.
आपने आज पीपीएफ लगाया, आपने सोचा कि यार 5 साल बाद मैं अपना व्हीकल सेल कर देता हूँ, इजीली आप रिमूव कर दीजिए. देयर विल नॉट बी एनी एडेसिव मार्क ऑन द सबस्ट्रेट एक्चुअली. सो योर पेंट विल बी स्टिल एज फ्रेश as probably on the day one from the OEM side of it. So there are multiple ways of doing this testing which give a confidence whether the product and the construction is of that quality कि जहाँ पे आप customer को assurance दे सकते हैं. Because a customer is getting an assurance from every Denison. I'm sure he has a very high expectation. And we make sure we are tested ourselves on that. So these are called stress testing in our industry.
Stress testing, abuse.
Yes.
Abusing the product, yes, literally.
Bud roping.
Yes.
How can we forget the favorite part of the bud roping in this country, right? The stone pelting, stone chip resistance. The type of the road obviously is getting much better and better nowadays, but you can't ignore some of these like the practical ground situation. You have to design your product which can take care of these issues.
So technically, would you like to specify how is Evri Denison a better product in terms of the PPF?
So I would say there are a couple of parameters I would talk about here. The one thing which is very very commonly desired in the segment is like do you even offer the warranties which really take care of like where you are assuring a customer and he is having that peace of mind. प्रोडक्ट मैंने एवरी का लिया है एंड पहली बात है कुछ गलत होगा नहीं, अगर कुछ हुआ सो कंपनी मेरे साथ है, राइट? सो इफ आई स्टार्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ द परफॉर्मेंस पैरामीटर, द नॉन येलोइंग इज अ वेरी क्रिटिकल पार्ट, राइट? प्रोडक्ट लाइक व्हेन पीपल अप्लाई द पीपीएफ ऑन द वाइट ऑन द लाइट कलर कार, I will again like I can't name the competitor, but product tends to
yellow, yes.
They get discolored, right? And we make sure like the type of product we offer in the PPF segment, they don't have this issue, right?
I believe technically it is aliphatic.
It's yes. So again, because PPF is a TPU product,
TPU,
thermoplastic
correct. Correct.
But within the TPU, again, there are different construction.
Yes.
And you can play around with those construction. You can blend multiple things and make your product cheaper. But that is something we don't do. We want to make sure when we offer a product from our portfolio, he get the one of the best product in the market, where we are confident to give a assurance and where a customer is definitely able to use or able to see that technology and performance for the amount of years and the thing we commit to. So just coming back, discoloration is one of the critical issue which we have taken care in our technologies, as well as if you look into the gloss, if you look into the durability part of it, if you look into some of the abuses we were talking about, all this stone chipping and the bud dropping and other thing. These are the major issues in this part of the world and the environment, which is very varies from one place to another.
But tree sap bud dropping आपको PPF से भी clean करना होता है, because वो उसको भी penetrate कर जाता है.
So these film are very hard film, as well as at the same time they're very flexible film also, right?
Correct.
Hard in terms of like अगर कुछ हो रहा है, so it should not penetrate the film, it should not get exposed to the substrate. Flexible because ये आपको flexible बनानी, because you have to cover the curve and everything for the vehicle, right? So when you have to wash or clean it off, right, there are certain method which we recommend. We issue those guidelines to our customer ki how to take care after the PPF is applied. So there are technologies where even after rubbing or cleaning it up, right, there will be a lot of mark or a lot of stain which will be still left behind on the surface. The type of technology we offer, in most cases, if not all, the stain will not be even visible.
Okay.
So that's what differentiate our technology versus some of our competitors.
So how long have you been into this industry?
As a company, every denizen is...
this question is to Nitin.
For me? Okay.
Yes.
So I'm 5-year-old in the organization. Just completed in fact my 5 year.
So this detailing industry में भी 5-6 साल अभी आपको हुए हैं या इससे भी पुराना है?
So we started the authorized studio partner network. We started building up almost 10-12 years back.
Okay.
Right. So we had some presence in the south part of the country, and then we realized this is a pretty much a demand, and the market is evolving where people are looking forward to have a right genuine quality PPF. It's not like products are not available, but the awareness is very complex. Just like कि PPF का जितना थिक होगा उतना अच्छा होगा. It's a pure misconception, nothing else.
हाँ, और अभी तो फिलहाल दूसरा अगर हम एक पॉइंट लें तो अगर TPU है तो अच्छा है. TPU में भी कितनी वैरायटी है ये नहीं कोई अंदाज़ा है. लाइक TPU ही लग रहा है, US का ही लग रहा है मेरे को. और लग भी रहा है 40-50 हज़ार रुपये में. देन यू लाइक सर आप मेरा प्रोडक्ट ले जाओ, टेस्ट करो और उनका प्रोडक्ट ले लो. यू टेस्ट इट फॉर एटलीस्ट 1 महीने ही आप टेस्ट कर लो, उसी में आपको डिफरेंस नजर आ जाएगा.
परसेप्शन होता है लाइक something come from developed part of the world is always going to be the best one, right? That's not the case potentially, right? Just like you said, आपने भी बोला कि polyurethane TPU is a generic word.
Yes.
And then you break up the TPU. We all come from the chemical background. We know how much TPU can have a different thousands of the version, right?
Yes.
And that really create the difference. Apart from product, as I was just talking earlier, like application बहुत critical है. Like आपको application करना है जो लोगों को पता होना चाहिए कि कैसे अप्लाई करना है. एंड वी प्ले वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन दिस, राइट. व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड पुटिंग अप सम सीरियस एफर्ट इन द कंट्री, वी सेड वी विल नॉट ओनली सेल द प्रोडक्ट, वी विल ऑल्सो फाइंड द पार्टनर, अपॉइंट द पार्टनर एंड विल ट्रेन दैम. सो वी वेरी रेगुलरली organize lot of training program for the people who install the product. We tell them the company technical team member will come, he will organize this training, he will make sure he will provide some demo and other thing. He will make sure कि प्रोडक्ट जैसे लगना चाहिए वैसे लगाया जा रहा है.
नहीं तो वो जो रेगुलरली कोई भी डिटेलर लगा रहा है और जिस तरीके से आप रेकमेंड करते हो, वो दोनों मेथड में क्या फ़र्क है?
सो प्रैक्टिकली एक PPF में प्रॉब्लम होती है लाइक स्पेशली ऑन द एजेस एंड व्हेन यू हैव टू टक इन, राइट. सो and then people sometimes use the hot water, sometimes use the hot gun and other thing. So we tell like the product we offer in this segment are self-healing, right? आपको वरी नहीं करना है. Obviously when you are applying, so maybe स्किल मार्क आएंगे या आपके थोड़े से मार्क आएंगे या स्क्वीजी मार्क आएंगे, that get self-healed.
Yes.
माइनर स्क्रैचेज अगर आ भी जाते हैं वो आपकी self-heal हो जाती हैं. उसके बाद जब आप टक करते हो, इट इज़ मच ईजी. आप सिंपल हॉट वाटर स्प्रे कीजिए, टक कर दीजिए, हो जाता है, राइट. एंड देन दीज प्रोडक्ट्स आर वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल. technologies India में available हैं, like when you start stretching the film, that get crack, right? And
गमिंग gets cracked, हाँ, वो
gumming
बहुत
gets
दिखता है
cracked.
ऊपर
वो
से,
बहुत दिखाई देता है. और इंस्टॉलर कम्युनिटी जो अपने हाथ से उस प्रोडक्ट को लगा रही है, they will see like यार ये प्रोडक्ट तो फेल हो गया, right? So you have to tell a people a product हम the technology we offer as an everyday denizen that has a elongation of 200% plus. आपकी 1 मिलीमीटर या 1 सेंटीमीटर की फिल्म है, आप उसको 2.5 सेंटीमीटर तक स्ट्रेच कर सकते हो.
You know what they say, खींचेंगे नहीं तो लगेगा कैसे, ऐसे लाइक ज़्यादा मत खींचो ना, मतलब और आप द फैक्ट इज कि अगर आप उसको नहीं भी खींचो एंड इफ यू जस्ट स्क्वीज इट डाउन, वो फिर भी लगेगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो खींच के ही लगेगा, बट दे आर इनटू दैट प्रैक्टिस कि वो खींचेंगे और लगाएंगे, विच इज मोर ऑफ लाइक अ रैप मेथड.
एब्सोल्युटली.
रैप में आप बिना खींचे नहीं लगा सकते हो, बट पीपीएफ तो लग जाएगा आराम से.
पीपीएफ फिल्म फ्लेक्सिबल है, बट दैट डजंट मीन कि आप उसको जबरदस्ती 300% खींचो, जरूरत नहीं है उसकी.
ट्रू. So these are the part of the training that you.
So we certify the trainer. Like when we go there, we invite the people to understand how we make our product, how do we recommend the product to be applied, and then we officially certify them, and we keep a track. And it's not like we have just certified somebody today and then we forget about that guy. We meet them again and again, try to understand if there is any issue they are facing off, or if there is some troubleshooting our team has to manage and something, and we take care of that in a very active manner.
अच्छा, एक बहुत important question मुझे याद आया है कि as an individual detailer, who is a good detailer of that area if he wants to get associated with any good brands, like जैसे आपने बोला कि हम written warranty देते हैं, so the warranty that I have given to a customer here, and if he gets transferred, he's into a transferable job, and if he moves to Hyderabad, तो वो अपनी वारंटी कैसे कवर कराएगा एवरी डेनिसन से?
So practically जो warranties we issue, so they are like to the first owner of the vehicle. So it's not transferable to the second owner.
Agreed.
Or otherwise it doesn't matter. Because we are spread across the country.
Okay.
Our studio network is across the country. We call every denizen authorized detailing partner. The person and his team or her team been trained by the company and like exposed by the company in terms of learning the training and all other application activity. It doesn't matter whether a person is sitting in Delhi and getting transferred to Hyderabad or getting into Mumbai. We have a studio partner to take care of.
If it's a first owner, उसका problem solve हो जाएगा वहाँ पर.
Solve है.
अच्छा.
So what we don't do is the transferable to the second owner, because
that I understand.
There you can't really control some of the abuses and something may happen from a first owner to the second owner.
Obviously, there is a limited liability clause, and I think you should abide by that.
Yeah.
But सपोज करिए कि मदुरई चला गया मेरा कस्टमर, और मदुरई में आपका डिटेलिंग पार्टनर नहीं है फॉर एग्जांपल, वहाँ पे उसकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होने का क्या चांस है और किस तरीके से वो मैनेज करेगा?
सी बेसिकली इवन इफ ए प्लेस की जहाँ पे हमारा ऑथोराइज स्टूडियो नहीं है, मटेरियल कैन बी स्टिल शिप्ड एनीवेयर इन द कंट्री.
ओके.
एंड इंस्टॉलर्स आर अवेलेबल.
दे आर.
एंड वी टेक केयर, लाइक हमारे जो स्टूडियो पार्टनर हैं, दे हैव अ टीम ऑफ इंस्टॉलर एंड वन ऑफ दैट पर्सन विल गो एंड इंस्टॉल इट.
Okay.
So problem is not कि आप logistically कहाँ पर बैठे. We will always manage it.
So if a person is getting associated with a good brand and if it's a written warranty, it is taken care
in all the manner.
In all the manner. The entire India.
In entire India, right?
Okay. Okay. So as you said, let's talk about your presence. South में भी है, इधर भी है. तो अब it's a generic question. Detailing industry per se in South and detailing industry per se in North India, दोनों में आपको क्या major difference नजर आता है? And you are based out of Bombay, right?
I am based out of Bombay.
हाँ, तो हम Western India की भी बात कर लेते हैं.
Asking me to divide the country in three parts of the.
This is profiling that I want to ask के मतलब as a detailer in North India, I'm facing a lot of challenges, okay, and I'm overcoming it. So I want to know कि South वाले retailers के क्या challenges आपको लगता है, because you are associated with everyone. West में क्या लगता है, professionalism में क्या difference आपको नज़र आता है, और advantages एक दूसरे zone पे आपको क्या नज़र आती हैं?
Okay. So I am based in Mumbai from quite some time, but I belong to North India, so don't consider I am giving a diplomatic answer.
No.
एक difference है, awareness का एक difference है, like how the people understand the technology and adopt it, or ready to willing to accept a technology, little different in different part of the country.
Where is it more?
So in general, like South obviously is most aware about the technology is getting evolved and ready to accept the technology, and willing to experiment even in terms of premiumization, ready to and willing to pay a little bit of premium, and it's getting up across the country. It's not like limited to South, right? And that's where we play a very active role. How do we make sure a person sitting in Delhi and person sitting in Cochin or Bangalore understand our product in the same manner, and how we can really make that I would say that decision making in a more relatable manner. Consumer को नहीं पता होता है. You can talk about the micron and the salt spray test and the humidity test. It doesn't matter to him. For him, it is like the money he's investing. It's not. It's obviously some money, right? It's not just 1-2% of the vehicle. It's a protection of the paint, which is aesthetic look you are taking care of, and which is the decision making attribute when you are selling it off, or even if you are owning it and just keeping it for yourself, right, for a couple of years. Aesthetic is the first thing you are perceived and you are getting observed to that vehicle, right? So you have to protect the paint. There are multiple technologies to protect that paint, but now you are getting into a product like or technology like PPF. There are multiple variants available in the market. So awareness का एक थोड़ा फर्क आ जाता है from different part of the country to rest of the country. And secondly, I would say like penetration as well, right? Because of this particular attribute, we see some part of the country is more competitive, and some are, I will not say they are not having the multiple option, but may not be that price sensitive also.
So you think North India is more price sensitive?
I would say the more competition there,
okay,
and probably the market is evolving. People are aspirational to apply a PPF, but how to differentiate in a good quality PPF and a okay quality product or a commodity PPF, there is some work which even we have to do as a company.
What about West India?
So I would consider the West and South pretty much at par, because
awareness
it's a financial capital of the country. So people obviously have a position of the luxury vehicle and other thing, and they do their research. Even before selecting a product, people research about it, and I'm sure this catching up in the North India also, because social media is a big influencer, right? People try to understand, even all the Gen Z and everything. They want to understand more from the social media. They want to understand and get impressed with the type of reviews and the credential somebody has built, right? And even for that matter, we invest a lot of our time and energy on the social media. So we have the Fan Fridays program, where our consumer can give the review of our product and the service offered in our studio partner on Instagram. We in fact have a local Instagram handle for our Graphics India, right? Where we publish the video from all the work which happen across the country in our studio partner. So these are some of the actions and the activities we do in the background to make sure people are able to connect and understand the technologies in a much better manner.
Okay, so basically you're saying that यहाँ पे अभी हमें awareness पे काम करना बाकी है North India में. South में people are more aware, even though there is a sea of information available on internet, but अभी यहाँ पे aesthetics को लेकर के और price sensitivity को लेकर के ज़्यादा issue है North India में, in comparison to quality consciousness, which is more in South and West.
I would say like this is a collective responsibility on the company like us, how to create that awareness, right? कंज्यूमर को नहीं पता होता है, लाइक इफ़ यू वांट टू बाई ए फ़ोन के हमें बेसिक फीचर्स पता होते हैं, बट वी डोंट नो द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द फोन, राइट? वी डोंट नो हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स आर असेंबल्ड इनटू दिस फोन, एंड दैट्स समथिंग ऑन द OEM or the company to tell the consumer, and that is where we are playing a very active role, right? Whether it is North, whether it is West, or whether it is South, receptive level may be a little different, acceptance level may be a little bit here and there, type of competition may be here and there, but again, same thing, like how do you make sure a consumer is able to relate to your product and technology in the most simplest manner and willing to invest a money which he is going to get some return in the future. So awareness will be always a differential across the country. We are a very, I would say, the diverse, large country, lot of language, cultural differences, lot of social differences, lot of social economic fabric differences in the country. They will continue to exist. Nobody can change that, right?
So to sum it up, in the end, I would like to ask, आप PPF इंडस्ट्री का कितना अभी और पोटेंशियल देख रहे हैं, या ये अभी कहाँ पहुँच गया है, if we talk about the graph of the growth?
So I would say it is still evolving, and it's going to grow much faster. It's growing much faster than even what we thought a couple of years back during Corona probably. Because when Corona was there, then everybody was like, probably when the Corona will be over and people will be able to, like be back on the road and able to invest money into the discretionary spend on the buying a vehicle and the needs and everything. And the market is growing. The conceptually awareness of PPF is growing much faster, right? Some of the technical shifts are also happening. Some of the existing technologies available for protecting a paint also, getting diluted in terms of their potential in the market. So I would say like it is still on a growth phase. It will continue to grow definitely for a couple of more years for sure. And then again, just like any product and any technology, it may stabilize. So we see a very significant growth potential in this country, at least for the next 5-7 years for sure.
And what would be your word of caution to people when they're choosing the quality of the PPF? Okay. Your personal.
Okay. So I would say, because we all live in a digital world now, right? So before deciding or before making a decision to buy a technology or a particular product, read about it. Understand from the social media, understand from the genuine website of the company what is different in that technology, and then take a decision or make a decision. Just don't believe on some perception. Because perception may not be always a reality in the fact.
So आप कह रहे हैं कि कोई भी प्रोडक्ट को डिसाइड करने का बेस फैक्टर प्राइस नहीं हो सकता.
It has never been the case.
हाँ, बट वो नॉर्थ में है अभी for the time being.
वो सभी जगह. I am sure when the PPF technology was evolved globally, and it's not like that's the only technology that time. There was always the ceramic coating. There was more like some more technologies in the protecting the film. But even then, PPF has evolved in a significant manner. Even in India, it is evolving.
So we are concluding it on the note that whenever, if you really love your vehicle, do some research. There is a lot of information available. Just don't compare it price wise. आपको पूरा technical specification देखना है versus the different products that you are choosing. Same product को same product line से compare करें. बहुत सारे differentiating factors हो सकते हैं. And on that note, thank you for watching.